Hello friends, my name is Mahi Bansal and welcome back to my channel. Are you thinking that why I have made this face paint? If yes, then I will tell you because it is related to our today's topic. And our today's topic is a tiger, which is an endangered animal. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's get started. Hello friends, do you know me? I am a tiger, the beautiful, powerful and the biggest cat in the world. I live in rainforests, grasslands and savannas. I am a carnivorous animal. A large day can provide me 1 week's food. My length is about 7 feet to 11 feet. I am very long and heavy, so people are very interested to see me, especially children. But friends, today I have come to share my problem to you. For a few years, our population is decreasing. Only 3,500 tigers are left in the world wide. So please save us. I request to all, especially children, to create awareness and educate people living near the forest about my importance in terms of ecosystem. If you find somebody hunting my family members, report to your local police station. Goods must be banned made of animal skin. Forest life must be saved from human activities. I hope that you will take action as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.